reaction.
Damn, I wonder how to do that.
I know how.
Before we begin, let's focus on our safety. Let's put on our lab coats and goggles. Disclaimer, do not do this experiment unsupervised. We are students being supervised by a professional. This experiment can result in harm to yourself or others. What do we need to complete this experiment? First, let's grab our 5-gallon water jug, our matches, our 70% isopropyl alcohol, and a stick. To begin the WOOSH bottle experiment, start by pouring your 70% isopropyl alcohol in the 5-gallon water jug. Pour a considerate amount. Please put away the alcohol to another safe place. Start by swooshing around the isopropyl alcohol to create vapor inside the 5-gallon water jug. The more the merrier. Next, let's grab our match and our stick. The stick will be used to protect us from the fire. Let's light our match first. Now let's light the stick. The stick is just to give us more range from the fire. Put the water out. There it goes. Let's see that one more time, but this time in slow motion. Whoa, isn't that cool? But let's talk about the science behind what's happening. When you pour rubbing alcohol into a bottle and light it on fire, the alcohol burns rapidly due to a process called combustion. This is a chemical reaction that occurs when oxygen reacts with a fuel source, in this case, the alcohol. Now let's add an extra element to the equation. The burning alcohol begins to consume all the available oxygen in the bottle. This creates a partial vacuum, which causes a rush of air to enter the bottle, carrying more oxygen with it. The burning alcohol ignites the newly introduced oxygen, creating a sudden whoosh of flames. To put it simply, the burning of the alcohol consumes all of the oxygen in the bottle, causing a rush of air to enter that ignites the remaining alcohol vapor, resulting in a whoosh effect. So there you have it, the science behind the fascinating WOOSH bottle experiment. Understanding the chemical reactions that take place and the physics behind the sudden rush of air can help us appreciate the science in our everyday experiences.
Here we go!
But the real star of the show is the partial vacuum. This is what creates the whoosh effect. A partial vacuum is when there is less pressure in one area than in surroundings. This can happen when some of the air or gas in the area is taken away, creating less pressure. When the surrounding area rushes in to fill space, it creates a force that pulls objects towards the area with less pressure. For example, it's like when you suck air out of a straw, or when you suck a drink out of a straw. The drink gets pulled up the straw. This is what we call a partial vacuum. But what are some ways that we could change this project up? Well, we could create a model car or a rocket even. But how would this work? The science behind it is actually quite fascinating. The amount of thrust generated is directly related to the amount of fuel and air burned in the combustion chamber. The faster the gas is expelled through the nozzle, the more thrust it will produce. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video.